You need to learn AI as soon as possible. I am not talking about learning AI apps, how to use AI apps. I am talking about building AI apps. You have seen a lot of videos or ads about learn AI, learn ChatGPT, learn this, learn that software. But learning that software is good. But building one is the best way to take the full advantage of AI revolution. So you were listening everywhere seeing that AI, 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 AI. But you were thinking, is it like a Web3 trend that will go and crypto trend that will go up and then go down and crash? But it is not like that. When Web3 came, you didn't see companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, Google going all in on crypto, NFTs and Web3. But this time it is something else. It is AI. All companies are going all in on AI, whether it is Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, OpenAI. So why I am making this video? Because I am also going all in on AI. So the story is that 5 years or 6 years ago, almost in year 2017, I first started in this technical world. I was started this in a child, but I didn't know the career will be there in when I grow up. So in 2017, I realized that technology has a great career. So I was passionate about it from the childhood, and I also was talented. So I decided that I was talented in this field. So I got into it. So I started learning Python and web development, this type of stuff, and building web apps. But the problem I realized that I didn't want to work on a job. I wanted to make my own apps. Okay, I wanted to make my own apps, my own company. But when I started thinking about the ideas, every idea thinking was already built. So I quit that time. I didn't want to make same thing, like I didn't want to make same Google like search browser, Facebook like social media. That's what already done. I wanted to do something that has never done before. So I tried many things. I think that at that time this is not a great idea, but I was loving that time doing that. So I started doing multiple things, trying multiple things, making video games, making YouTube videos, more YouTube channel. I have multiple YouTube channel before. So I tried, but I didn't succeed that time because I quit many times. I tried new idea, I quit. So I tried many stuff, building games, building animation. So this year I became clear what I wanted to do. One idea was kept coming in my mind, but I was ignoring that. I didn't think that idea will be able to connect with my main vision. But now I realized that idea will be connected seamlessly with my main vision. I was ignoring AI also. In few days before, I was working on my main vision, which I will tell you in my next upcoming videos. So I realized that how AI is the best idea to do that. I have an idea of building a company and I have a purpose to do that. If you have a passion and if you have a purpose, you should also try to build AI company, not just to make money. Yeah, you will make money if you give your 100%. If you have that talent, if you have that passion. The main thing is not talent. The main thing is that passion and dedication and obsession. If you have that thing and have the purpose, you will do good for the society also. Okay. So the thing is that doing good for the society. So my main goal is to doing good for the society, and I will be working for this idea from upcoming years for 20 years straight, 20, 30, 40. I don't know that it will work and how valuable it is. So people are building AI apps, web apps, and AI is trending right now. So whenever people build like something like other day, I have seen that 21-year-old boy has built AI web app that is about voice cloning. When he has launched that, at that time not many of the AI voice clone was there. You can build AI voice clones, but the thing was that you have to code that time by on your own. So he has built a web app, and what happens is in a week he have more than 100,000 users. So the idea of it, he was not thinking that it will become that big. So he was not asking for any money for anyone. So what happened is he started by asking $1 to use that. Within a year, started making 100K plus month. So now it's been a year since he had made that app, and he is earning more than 100K plus. So AI is trending. So what is happening right now, that people are building apps that has never done before. New researches and new things are coming each and every day. So what is happening that you can build new apps that could go trending like this on by using TikTok and other applications. And you can get 100K users like this if your app is really good and trending within a week or days or month. Okay, if you build a good app, because before it was that you can build same websites again which people has built before, not a crazy idea you have seen before. It was plateaued like this. The new trending apps was very less. You haven't heard like a new app became successful like Instagram in years before. But now when AI has came, many apps are coming. Many people sitting in their bedroom are building apps that are scaling very high. This is your chance. This is my chance to build something the passion is there, the dedication is there, and the purpose is there. If you will do it 5 years later, the same case will be. You will be thinking that every app is built now, what I will build now. So this is the time. Let's go all in. If you want to get started, I am not selling a course right now, but if you want to get started, I am also learning AI right now. So the roadmap which I am following, you can go to the description and click on the newsletter and get that roadmap, and you can also start learning AI. So you can follow that roadmap, and I am also following that roadmap. So I will see you in my next video. And also by signing up that newsletter, I will also be writing email each week about my journey building the AI company. So I will see you in my next video.